All parts and accessories on the package content. Ensure nothing is missing in the package box. Tips: when measuring and installing the awning arm, remember to avoid car doors, windows, and storage compartments. Before installation, keep the front and rear of the vehicle body at the same distance from the ground. According to the size of the canopy you purchased, mark the 6 fixing point positions suitable for installation from the instruction manual. Take out the Z-type bracket, punch holes at the marks with a hand drill, and install the Z-type brackets with M6x16 screw. Please insert the left arm into the Z-type bracket. Confirm and mark the position twice, and punch holes with a hand drill. Finally, use M6x16 screw to install. Install the position in the same way. Take out the left arm and install the position in the same way. Take out 54.2x32 self-tapping screw and fabric lock rail. Keep the distance between the fabric lock rail and the upper bracket around 65 mm. Install fabric lock rail with 54.2x32 self-tapping screw. The fabric lock rail is between two upper brackets, but keep them in the same height position. Arrange the fabric tube. Please take out the roller connector from the tube, which is located in the left and right end caps, then connect the tube piece by piece, aligning the hole position, then fix the M6x16 servos. Tips: our fabric roller connector has a prompt line, which is convenient for you to find the hole position. Unpack the fabric. Put the fabric and the fabric tube parallel to the proper position. Insert valance fabric with gray polycord. Insert fabric with gray polycord into B port. Insert the fabric into the A port. Use the pressing plate to press the fabric into the groove of the fabric tube, then insert the gray polycord into the A port. Let the fabric be in the middle of the fabric tube. Roll up the fabric as directed in the video and place it on the trailer roof. Insert the top of the fabric into the fabric lock rail, then insert the black polycord into the fabric lock rail. Connect the awning left arm with the left fabric tube. Take out the screw on the left fabric tube, then align the hole. Insert the screw to connect to the arming left arm. Connect the awning right arm with the right fabric tube in the same way. Fix the fabric with 54.2x13.5 self-tapping screw. Open the Velcro on the left and right arms. Prepare a temporary power supply. Make sure the voltage is at least 12 V. Connect the black wiring on the switch to the of the temporary power supply. Connect the red wiring on the switch to the plus of the temporary power supply. Remember to wrap the wires with electrical tape. Switch blue wiring to motor brown wire. Switch white wiring to motor blue wire. Turn the switch to open position. The awning begins to open. When the awning cannot be fully opened, insert the adjusting rod into the bottom hole of motor, and adjust it to plus direction until it is completely open. When the awning is fully open but the motor is still running, insert the adjusting rod into bottom hole of motor and adjust to the dash direction until the motor stop running. This way awning is the best display effect. Turn the switch to the close position. The awning starts to close. When the awning cannot be fully closed, insert the adjusting rod into upper hole of the motor, and adjust to plus direction until awning completely close. Fix the Z-type bracket third hole to upper hole of arm, back channel, and also the middle hole of the arm back channel with camper. After adjust motor limit position, please open the awning completely, and remove the temporary wires. Please connect the power cord of the motor from the hole on the right side arm, then connect with cable which put inside of the arm, and then hide the connector in the protection shell.
Atunci când visele se nasc, chiar tu prin zâmbete mă faci fericită. Pentru că n-avem un motiv anume, pur și simplu e. Pentru că ne iubim și avem.
Connect the motor to the car power cord and hide the connector in the protection shell to prevent water intake. Please open the hole in the car wall according to the switch bottom shell size. Finally, after connecting with the power supply in the camper, you can use our awning satisfactorily.